Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make clickable link in resume in Canva. So let's say for example, I were to edit this resume template right here. So I'm just going to tap on customize this template. Now to add a clickable link, you can select the section that you would like to be clickable. So the first thing I normally do in the bottom right hand corner right where you see the zoom, I would pull that to the right to increase it. Then from there, let's say for example, I want to redirect them to my phone number whenever they tap on the contact number. All you'll need to do is select the number that is currently there. Then you can tap on the three dots and you're going to tap on link. After you have tapped on link, from there you could add in the link that you would like to redirect persons to. Or for example, if you have a phone number, from there you can put in your phone number. So for example, let me put in a phone number real quick. After you have added in the phone number, you'll tap on done. So now that I've added that, then let's say for example, I would like to also make the email link clickable. You could select the current email address and you could type in your own email address. Then you will tap on the three dots after selecting it and you're going to tap on link. After you have done that, you could type in your email address. So let's say for example, I were to add in a test email address. So let's say for example, test email at yahoo.com. So let me type that in real quick. So you can see it right there. After I've added it, I'll just tap on enter. Then you'll see this section pop up, mail to, and you're just going to tap on done. Now after adding those clickable links, you could select any other text that you would like to be clickable. Then you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. And you want to ensure that after selecting download, you select PDF. You can either select PDF standard or PDF print. Either one of these PDF options is good. So let's tap on share, tap on download, then tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, I'm going to be showing you what to do next. So they will receive this email as our resume. And if they were to, for example, tap on the email address, it is going to automatically open up and they can decide their mail server right here, and then they'll be able to email you. And if we were to go back, and let's say for example they were to tap on the phone number, after they have selected the phone number, it will automatically open up also. So let's select open a new link. You can see right there, wants to open an application, and it will automatically open up to FaceTime or whichever option, as you can see right there. You could also put in your WhatsApp link, which you can easily get from WhatsApp. So you could add in your WhatsApp link right there and they'll be able to contact you via WhatsApp. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. The main thing is you want to ensure that you have saved it as a PDF. Thanks for watching.